Atongeria mwanya bareo ngavana wa EMBU Sisilimbarire Seneta Mudigi na bunge ba EMBU nibakinyite mucemanio ya kwariria kemera na MUGUKA narane dia bunge John Paul Murigi kirema gushine na mutunga kuma MERU bakinyite mucemanio yo amona bo gavana wa MERU Kawira Mwangasa na Seneta Kadhuri Murungi batukari mucemanio yo ende magavana ba nibethire nende baitumana na kinya Seneta ithira itumana kiri mucemanio yo kwariria mantu igi mantu ya kemera na MUGUKA nara atongera bakuma mbo abarete wite karone kiu kire bara bethire baikinya karone kina mantu regite kwarirune atinende atongere bantere chombo ande babatire kwithira bakihugirwe talire ki watho no tuba kuria kwathikira koti na kinya mantu yeige kuluko ko barabo watu bakiringanithu na wende bo MUGUKA bakiwa kemera ke MUGUKA na MIRAA ni mero ya binge na bite batire kwithira bikingo kwendo kiri county nore kundene ya muongo yo Kenya.
That while appreciating the efforts and intervention of the President in addressing this matter, and noting that some of the stakeholders, namely the coastal region leadership, failed to attend this meeting, and in view of the immense socio-economic impact of the illegal ban to the affected communities and the populace in the value chain, we respectfully request His Excellency the President to further intervene to resolve this statement. End of statement dated, stalemate, sorry. End of statement dated this day, 6th of June 2024.
As issues pertaining to the ban of selling of MIRAA and MUGUKA, let's say selling of MUGUKA because MUGUKA is MIRAA. From the scientific background, they belong to the same species. Same species means like human beings. You can be black, you can be white, you are human beings. So MIRAA and MUGUKA is the same thing. So banning of MUGUKA selling in Mombasa and some counties is actually wrong. It's not as per the laws of Kenya, it's against the law, and it's also against the good intentions of this country in terms of development. People are suffering because certain individuals within the coastal region have lost business. We'll say this without any fear of contradiction. They have lost business. Those who sell drugs have lost business because the people of Mombasa, people of coastal region, have discovered that it is possible to use a safer product which is called MUGUKA. So that substitution has lessened the demand for the drugs.
Leo tumeshukuru sana na imekuwa ni siku kubwa kwa ajili ya gavana wetu and all the MIRAA stakeholders from EMBU, Kirinyaga and MERU. Wale ambao ni stakeholders wa MUGUKA na MIRAA, na tunaomba yale ambayo yamezungumzwa hapa yakaweze kutekelezwa kwa sababu already MIRAA imeingia kwa sheria. Na ile kitu ambacho kinatustua, Mheshimiwa Rais alikuja akaidhinisha na akasema MIRAA si dawa ya kulevya. MIRAA imeidhinishwa kama cash crop, and then to make the matter worse, waziri ambaye ako katika serikali ya Mheshimiwa Rais William Samoei Ruto ambaye ni Ande Nduale anakuja anaongea contrary na mdozi wake president vile amesema.